a good motorcycle headset did the basics and recommended one to tick all the boxes. Let's open the box first. V6S all black case with multiple big buttons and easy to respond while wearing gloves. We will start with the intercom unit, speaker and hard-tube microphone, button microphone, USB charging cable, 3M tab bracket, clip mounting bracket, Velcro, wrench and screw, product box, and we don't have the user manual. Just stay here. Let's go outside and see what it looks like on a helmet. It looks nice on a helmet, right? Now let's test the sound quality. It works perfect for me.
¿Qué tal, gente? ¿Cómo están? Bienvenidos a un video nuevo aquí en el canal. Y sí, si se lo preguntaban, es el mismo día que llevé la moto a la agencia a hacerle revisión. Si no han visto ese video, pues se los voy a...
Well, let's use it to connect phone. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to switch on. The light will flash blue only. Then you can see on your phone that the Fodsports V6S Bluetooth device is created. Click it to complete the final pairing. Okay, let's test it. Hey Siri, dial 10086.
We had a heavy rain that completely soaked us with water and the intercom too, and the intercom resisted perfectly.
Next, I will show you some basic functions of V6S. How to turn on the FM function. Long press the volume button for 3 seconds. How to reject or hang up a call. Hang up. Should press the phone button to end a phone call. Reject. Double-click the phone button. How to clear pairing memory. When the device is on, press phone button and the intercom B button at the same time for 3 seconds. They are fully protected against the light splashes done with IP65 water resistance ratings. V6S basic function introduction, 6 riders intercom, Bluetooth 5.0, built-in FM, 3.5mm jack, Type-C charging port. As an entry into Bluetooth systems for your new motorcycle helmet, it worked perfectly and is user-friendly along with an easy interface. Used on multiple road trips and battery held up for several hours. And the customer service behind this product was extremely reliable and was ready to solve any issue that I had with the Bluetooth.